Hey guys, what's happening? How to hide apps and photos from your iPhone home screen. So simply go ahead to the settings and then click general and then software update. Make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. Now if you want to hide your photos, what you're gonna do, just go ahead and hold that photos app and then click require face ID. Okay, if you updated your iOS, you will realize that this feature is available for like to hide any app on your iPhone, right? From your home screen, basically. You can go ahead and click require facial recognition. So now anyone who tries to access your photos, they will need a facial recognition or passcode at least. And no one will know your passcode only like except you, right? So if you want to hide apps, right, you can hide apps as we showed you in previous videos. You can just go ahead and let's say PayPal, right? So I'm gonna hold the app, click require facial recognition, and then you could go ahead and hide and require facial recognition or require face ID. If you want to just remove the app, or if you want to hide the app from the home screen, you could just go ahead and confirm via facial recognition, and the app will know in the app, and PayPal will not appear on your home screen. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.